Here's how to change your username on Instagram. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And we need to get to your settings to do this. So tap on the profile button at the very bottom right. And then at the top right, those three lines, you can tap on those. Now, you'll be able to see a feature at the very top called Account Center, Password Security, Personal Details. Just tap on that. Now, within here, you might have Facebook and Instagram linked together. And keep in mind, when you change something on one, it might be synced up to change it on the other one as well. I'll show you how to turn that off. The first thing we're going to do is tap on Profiles and then Instagram. Now, I would highly recommend at the very bottom, tap on Instagram. And if Sync This Profile is turned on, it might update the Instagram username on Facebook as well. However, we want to make sure this is turned off. And after we've done that, let's just go back one and tap on username here. Now, all I need to do is update this username. It says your current username, and I can update it to something else. And it says change your username will also change your Instagram account address. This is the URL or link that people will type in or basically open it up to get to your profile.